This video will demonstrate how to replace the control panel on a Napoleon Rogue Series grill. The following tools are recommended to have on hand when performing this service: a basting brush, a 50-50 water dish soap mixture, safety glasses, a 14mm wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, a 3/8-inch drive socket, and gloves. Before you begin, turn off the control knob lights and open the cabinet to disconnect the fuel source. Underneath the cabinet, disconnect the Molex connections from the battery pack on the right-hand side and igniter block on the left-hand side. Next, turn your attention underneath the control panel and locate the side and rear burner flex hoses attached to the manifold. Using a 14mm wrench, remove the flex hose connections to the manifold. Ensure to free the main flex hose from the flex line clip. Once disconnected, locate the bolts underneath the outer edges of the control panel. Use a 3/8 socket to remove the bolts from both sides to free the control panel from the cabinet. Pull the bottom of the control panel outward, then lift the entire control panel upward to remove it from the grill. Ensure to place it on a non-abrasive surface to reduce the chances of surface scratches. Locate the new control panel assembly and place it onto the grill. Ensure the top is placed over the cook box first, then tilt the bottom inward, ensuring the manifold is placed into the burners correctly. Turn your attention back under the control panel and re-secure it to the grill. Once secured, reconnect the flex hoses to the manifold. Ensure they are tightened 1/4 turn past finger tight to ensure a good seal. Ensure the flex hose is replaced behind the flex line clip, and it's bent upwards to support the flex hose. Then ensure the flex hose is located behind the hose retainer clip. Next, reinstall the red connectors to the igniter block and the white connector to the battery box. Reconnect the fuel supply and turn it on to pressurize the system. Locate the 50-50 water dish soap mixture and use a basting brush or similar tool to apply the mixture to all of the gas connection points. Look for bubbles forming at the connections, indicating a leak, and tighten them as necessary. See the link in the description or the card above for a full video on how to correctly perform a leak test. With all connections correctly tightened, the service is now complete. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.